Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will create incredible composition of spaghetti, minced beef, mushrooms, tarragon, cream, hot peppers and famous Italian cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano, well known also as a Parmesan cheese. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Action! Step numero uno. Spaghetti goes into a boiling, salty water. Our goal is always the same. Al dente. And it looks like we've reached this point. Okay. Garlic, salt, freshly ground pepper, cream 18%, magical herb Terragon will give that unique flavor. Another successful day in the office. Amigos, extremely delicious pasta with beef and tarragon just landed on the table. Bon appetit!